Welcome to WPZ Cart. In this video, we're going to walk through how to set up seasonal or catalog type products. These might be items you want to sell on your store, but maybe they're not available right away. Maybe they're only available in a certain season, or you want to make the product viewable, but just take off the ability for them to add it to the shopping cart. And so we call these our seasonal products or our coming soon type products. And so let's take a look at how to do that. First off, if you do have a store and you don't want people to add anything to your cart, okay, on any of your products, you can always go to your settings and put it in catalog mode. And if we come down here, let's take a look at our settings. And your panel settings, I'm going to go to the products panel. The first option here is catalog mode. Now it says right here, enabling will remove add to cart buttons. You cannot sell products in catalog mode. This is going to lock everything out, so I'm going to turn this on. And this is great if you're developing or you just simply don't want to sell. You'll notice you cannot view or select options from here. You can quick view your product if you want. You can also have users can click on it and go in and see the details. So you can have descriptions. It's everything except for right at the add to cart button. We take that section out, so essentially they can never add anything in your store to the cart. Makes a great way to make a catalog of products, but that's the first setting to do it globally. That will do it across your entire site. So I'm going to save this and turn it back on so that our add to cart buttons come back. Okay. Now let's say you want to put just one product into catalog mode. Okay, we can do that by editing our product. And let's see, I'm working on this spotted shirt here. So I'm going to go ahead and go to spotted shirt and go into the details. It's a very simple process to turn on catalog or seasonal mode. I'm going to go to basic settings and I can turn on the seasonal mode. Okay. And if I update my settings, you will see that just this product loses the add to cart button. And if you go back to your store, you'll notice that your other products are just fine. They do have add to cart. So this is just doing that same catalog mode essentially on each product. And you can always enter a phrase here like this product is coming this summer. Kind of give your customers an awareness of when it's coming or where it might be, if they'll be able to purchase it, so on and so forth. You see it shows this product is coming this summer. You'll also see that message out here on the product detail or the product grid. Okay, and this is another good chance where some people like to come in and maybe add a tag, coming this summer. Add a red tag. Maybe I'll make it a square tag and save it. Kind of gives your customers a little bit of awareness as what's going on, like why can't I buy this? Give them a little bit of a message why the buttons might be different based on that product. So it's a very simple process though. Seasonal mode right here in the basic settings, turn on catalog mode. If you're curious about some of the other options here, donations, gift cards, inquiries, we have videos on all of these specifically. So hopefully these short little videos are useful for you. Be sure to check out our video library if you'd like more information. Thank you.